Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Amanda Renee, and in this video I will be showing you my top 5 favorite natural hair products for 2023. So let's get into it. The first product that I have is a shampoo from Talia Wajid. And I have been using this shampoo. As it said, it is a hydrating shampoo, so I've been using it as a moisturizing shampoo, and really the lather is amazing, and this is really concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. But if your hair has product on it, you want to make sure that the product is removed from the hair in order to see all that lather. But I think you will still see enough lather even though there is a lot of product on your hair. And I have been loving this hydrating shampoo. It doesn't leave my hair feeling stripped, just like some shampoos that claim to be hydrating but do the complete opposite. This one has really left my hair feeling hydrated, and it does leave my hair clean, and it was sold at an affordable price. So if you're interested, go check it out. The next product that I have is a new one to me, but quickly has become a fave of mine, and it is the conditioner from the MAUI Moisture line, the MAUI Moisture Lightweight Hydration Plus Hibiscus Water line. And really and truly, check out my review of this conditioner for every thought that I have on this product. But long and short of it is, it leaves my hair really soft, and my hair was able to soak up the product. You know, like how some products just sit on your hair, this one for me doesn't do that, and it, like I said, left my hair really soft, and it is a good conditioner if you are a natural who really just uses conditioner instead of a deep conditioner. I think you should check this one out because I think it does a phenomenal job. I really do. Of course, everyone's hair is different and products may not necessarily react the same, but so far for me, out of all the times that I've used it, and I've used it about 4 or 5 times, it really does leave my hair feeling hydrated. This next product is also a part of the Wash Day line, and it is this Repair and Restore mask from Talia Wajid. And honestly, I don't mind it because my hair is able to soak it up and it really emulsifies. I've actually found out that you really want products that emulsify because that's how you really get the product to work in your hair instead of just sitting on top of your hair. And this one does a good job at emulsifying, and really and truly it soaked up in my hair whenever I used it, and it left my hair feeling a lot better, and it left my hair feeling hydrated as well, and it was at a decent price point as well. So check and check. I will let you know if there are any proteins in this deep conditioner on the screen, and all I have to say is that the ingredients sound amazing. It smells like banana, and really and truly it did a really good job of making sure that my hair was hydrated. Alrighty, so you may have seen this product a couple times on my channel, and this is the pomegranate and honey mousse from MAUI Organics, and I love this mousse so much. From all the times that I've used it, my hair did not feel sticky at all, and my hair felt hydrated for about, let's say, 4 days. So a decent time for hair to be moisturized before you need to replenish the moisture. And honestly, the hold, I wouldn't say that it had the greatest hold, but it had good enough hold to last about 3 days without needing to refresh your hair. And the smell is amazing, to me at least. It really is amazing, and it defined my curls as soon as I put it on. I didn't really have to work it in as much as I would have had to work in other products, so that was really a plus. And the drying time for mousses, get you a mousse, because the drying time is phenomenal. It really doesn't take a long time to dry your hair, which is a very good thing. And that is really all I have to say about this mousse. It was affordable, it had a great hold, this smells amazing, and it didn't leave my hair feeling sticky, not that I can remember. And that is all I have to say for this mousse. I love this mousse so much, I really do. This next product is the MAUI Twisting Butter. And really and truly, this is the first product I've used from Camille Rose Naturals, and I am impressed. From what I know about low porosity hair, we're not necessarily supposed to use products with heavy butters because it will just sit on the hair, because our hair cuticle and hair strands are tight, so product doesn't necessarily get in properly. And really and truly, this product right here is a great styler, especially for mini twists. I left my hair in mini twists for these for over 2 weeks, and let me tell you, when I say that my hair still felt soft after being in twists for over 2 weeks, it really felt soft, and I was pleasantly surprised. Depending on the style that I was doing, I had to use a bit more for some and a little less for others, but overall I don't think you need to use that much to achieve the style, because it just spreads, so you're able to get everything done. And although it was on the pricier side, especially being in Barbados where everything is expensive, the cost wasn't the cheapest, but it was a good investment. And I still actually have a little bit left in here, enough to do 2 more styles or pushing 3. I love this butter so much. I really do. I don't know what else to say about this other than it is a great butter, and it is an amazing styler overall. I think you can achieve braid outs with it. I haven't tried braid outs, I've tried twist outs with it, but really and truly, it's a great styler. I think you should try it. And an honorable mention, this is a very new product to me. You would have seen it once on my channel. I will put the thumbnail on the screen, and I will also put the link to the video in the description box down below so that you can go and check it out. It is this gel from MAUI Organics. And I love the formula of this gel. I really love the formula. It just melted into my hair, and I don't remember my hair having any flakes from the gel. Not that I have combined it with a lot of products, but really and truly the formula is just so light, and it really does feel moisturizing on your hair. I used it for wash and goes and my hair felt really soft, and I am someone who doesn't necessarily like gels with that much of an extremely hard hold to where you're wondering if your hair will break off if you try to separate it. I know there's some people like that because you want that longevity, but I really don't mind this gel at all. I've used it for wash and goes, and I've used it in other styles that I haven't recorded, and the formula is just so moisturizing. I didn't necessarily need to put a leave-in with this gel, and it was at a decent price point as well. I'm not sure what the cost is in Barbados, but really and truly, I think that this is quickly becoming a fave, and I may jolly well put it in my staples video. You may see it in my staples video along with other products that I would have mentioned over my time documenting my natural hair journey on this channel. You may see some products in that staples video, and yes, I really am enjoying this gel so far. I will let you know if anything changes, because your hair has a way of reacting to products differently each time you use it, so I will let you know if anything changes. But so far, I'm really enjoying this product. I really am. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. If you are interested in seeing more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And like this video, it will help me out so much. It will help this video get to people who need to try new products or just find products that may actually work for their hair. And share this video with someone who actually is interested in trying new products or is having a hard time trying products that actually work for their hair. Send this video to them. And yes guys, like I said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching once more, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.